Hey everybody, welcome to the Happy Harvest Homestead. Every time I get even the slightest cold, the first symptom to pop up, and the symptom that stays the entire time and is the last to go away, is a sore throat. Some people get sneezes, some people get coughs. I get a sore throat, which is especially frustrating when you like to make YouTube videos. So this time when I got sick, instead of not filming anything until I got better, like I usually do because I can't talk, I decided to film what I was doing to help heal myself, all the natural remedies I like to use and I found that work the best. And now that my sickness is over and I can speak normally again, I have compiled all of them and I'm going to do a voiceover and explain how I naturally heal my sore throats and my favorite remedies that I have used many times and worked out all the kinks and figured out what works best and what doesn't work so well. The first thing I did right away when I woke up with a sore throat was get my essential oil diffuser going with some tea tree oil. Tea tree is supposed to be a very good germ killer, and so getting all of those good things into the air so I could breathe it in will help my body fight off the sore throat. Then I diluted some oregano essential oil with a bit of coconut oil and rubbed that all over my feet. Oregano is also a very powerful herb that is supposed to be good for your immune system. I also rubbed some oregano and coconut oil all over my throat area so that it could absorb into that immediate area and start working faster there. Another thing that I have found extremely helpful is gargling salt water. While a lot of these remedies will help you in the long run to heal faster, I find that this brings me immediate relief when my sore throat is very painful at the moment. I will grab a glass jar, sprinkle some pink Himalayan salt in it, then kind of melt the salt into some warm water, and then I gargle it, being especially mindful to get it all the way back in my throat and to the sore area. My next two natural remedies come in pill form. Whenever I start feeling sick, I will take a couple vitamin C pills for immune boost purposes, and then our family has discovered that white willow bark, whether in pill form or in tincture form, is really good for immediate pain relief of all sorts, so if we have a headache or a twisted ankle, or in this case a sore throat, we like to take a couple white willow bark pills for immediate pain relief. This next remedy should only be done maybe once a day or once every couple days because hydrogen peroxide is very effective and will kill both the good germs as well as the bad germs. So if I have a really bad sore throat like I do this time, I will take it every once in a while, but this is not an everyday remedy for our family. But gargling about a tablespoon or two does work very well, both for immediate relief and long-term curing. It does foam in your throat though, so when you spit it out, there's a whole bunch of foamy, almost like toothpaste, bubbles you have to spit out several times. One of my favorite sore throat cures is our homemade echinacea tincture. I usually put 3 squirts in a small jar, then mix it with a small amount of water before drinking it. It doesn't taste very good, but it works wonderfully. A lot of these remedies are far more effective if you repeat them multiple times a day. So I like to set a timer for myself, so every couple of hours, or in this case every hour for me, I will take more pills, or take more echinacea, or rub on some more oils, so that I am continuously bombarding the bad germs with all these good things. I find that when I forget to be very constant about doing these remedies, then my sore throat stays a lot worse for a lot longer. But if I'm really diligent about doing all of these things all the time, which honestly can be quite difficult, especially if you are in a lot of pain and feeling very sick, it does make things much better in the long run. So those are some of my favorite natural remedies of treating even the most stubborn sore throat. I really love them and they work for me, and I hope they will work for you too. Thanks for watching!